Hello students, this is a lecture of class 8 subject maths exercise 16a. Today we will solve our next example of this exercise. So example 8, the length of a rectangle is 8 cm and each of its diagonal measures 10 cm. Find its breadth. Means हमारे पास एक रेक्टेंगल है. दिस इज द रेक्टेंगल लाइक ए बी सी एंड डी whose one diagonal, like this is the diagonal AC which is 10 centimeter, and the length, this is the length which is 8 centimeter is given. We have to find out its breadth, means we have to find out the value of BC, like which is the breadth of this rectangle. Clear? Now for solution, ABCD is a rectangle in which AB is the 10 centimeter and the diagonal AC 10 centimeter. First you have to write the complete informations about the figure or about the statements which is given. Clear? Now in the triangle ABC, look at this triangle ABC, applying the Pythagoras theorem, because in rectangle each diagonal is 90 degree. So applying the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ABC, which is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Clear? Means Pythagoras theorem that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So AC is given, AB is given, put the value of both AC and AB in these equations and will get the result BC. That is 100 is equal to 64 plus BC square. 100 minus 64 is equal to BC square. Now BC square will become 36. Now square root on both sides, that is square root on both sides, that is square root. Now this square cancel out from this square root, will get the result BC, and square root of 36 is 6. So our answer will become 6 centimeter. It means जो ब्रेड्थ होगी हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल की वो 6 सेंटीमीटर होगी. So in the ending you have to write your result, that is hence breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. Most of students leave the sums here like BC is equal to 6 centimeter, but you have to write complete that breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. Clear? Now example 9, in the adjacent figure, this is adjacent figure, ABCD is a rhombus whose diagonal AC, this is the diagonal AC, and BD, this is BD, which intersect at a point O, this is point O. If the side AB, means this side is AB 10 centimeter and the diagonal BD, this diagonal is given, that is 16 centimeter, we have to find out the length of the diagonal AC. Clear? Means एक फिगर ए बी सी डी जो हमें यहाँ पर दी हुई है उसमें वो ए बी सी डी एक रोम्बस है, मीन्स जिसकी चारों साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं और उसके जो डायगोनल है वो बाइसेक्ट करते हैं राइट एंगल्स पर. और उसमें क्या दे रखा है कि ए सी और बी डी के जो डायगोनल, ए सी और बी डी जो डायगोनल है वो ओ पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. और ए बी हमें 10 सेंटीमीटर दे रखा है, डायगोनल बी डी हमें 16 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है. हमें डायगोनल ए सी फाइंड आउट करना है. क्लियर? First, that is the diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. That is the property of the rhombus which we have studied about it. So we can say that OB is equal to OD and OA is equal to OC. So OB is equal to half of BD. Clear? Now OB is equal to half of BD. Put the value of BD, that is 16 is given. So 1 by 2 multiplying 16, result will become 8 centimeter. And AB is 10 centimeter given. Angle AOB is the 90 degree. And BD is the 16 centimeter. Now again in the triangle OAB, this is OAB at O 90 degrees. So again use the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to OA square OB square. Put the value of all AB and OB, will get the result AO, that is 6 centimeter. Again like in the previous sums we already find like 6 centimeter, here is again 6 centimeter. Now AC will become AC, which is equal to 2AO. So it will become 2 multiplying 6, that is 12 centimeter. So diagonal of AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Clear? Now today you have to solve the sums from 11 to 14 of exercise 16A in fair notebook. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.